What's the meaning of clothed? Clothed. Clothed.
Clothed. Clothed. The word clothed refers to the act of wearing clothes or providing someone with clothing. It can also be used to describe the state of being dressed or covered with a particular type of clothing. The result of being clothed is usually a change in appearance or protection from the elements, depending on the situation. Clothing can serve various functions, such as expressing cultural identity, providing warmth, or enhancing safety. Being clothed is a basic human need and an important aspect of social norms and etiquette.